Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. This hair today will be installed from Shore Hair. I'm going to be doing a little install for you guys. This is a 16-inch curly wig, so stay tuned. I'm so excited. I got some Trina the Dreamweaver SUPA Bond waterproof adhesive. I'm so excited, you guys. I've seen nothing but good things. So let's get into how this glue is gonna hold. This is acrylic base, so your hold is supposed to be much stronger and lasting longer. So let's see. So I'm gonna start by cleaning her skin, of course, with alcohol. Then I'm gonna use the Quality Finesse Skin Protector. Her system is the same type of acrylic glue, so I'm sure that it will work with this same skin, with a different skin protectant. So I'm just gonna do the same steps, but with a different adhesive. Okay, so this is acrylic, so you want to make sure you take your time and just get all of the excess adhesive off of the brush that you're not going to use. I'm just going to slowly make sure it's enough on the brush for me to slide down around her hairline and a little on the cap, so it's an extra hold. Make sure that you dry the first layer very dry before you apply the second. It's going to become very tacky, and that's when you know it's ready. So far this adhesive dries very fast, so I like that. And now I'm gonna do my tape for the sides. I'm gonna end up doing one on the last minute on the top, which I really shouldn't have, because I feel like you can still see through it a little bit. It's like a little shine, so just be careful when you're using the tape. Yes, lace is melted. So when the lace is done melting and drying, you want to make sure that the ear tabs are comfortable to your client or to yourself if you're doing your own. And I'm gonna just cut all around, and there might be some excessive glue that's stuck, so when I do that, I just take some like alcohol or a little adhesive remover, and I'll just like clean it up at the end. So now I'm going to be finish off some baby hair. She doesn't want it too extra. She likes just natural, regular baby hair. So I'm going to do that and set them for her. And we're going to see how I finish my final touches. My last touches is plucking and adding a little bit of concealer onto the hairline and a little on the part so it looks super natural. That is like a really good thing that I've learned from Arrogant Tay. He does that. So I'm gonna definitely be doing this more often because sometimes, like, if you don't bleach your knots, it's a good way to get away with it, and in this case it works. So I hope y'all like my finished results. This hair is super bomb too, y'all should check them out. This is not sponsored. I've dealt with their hair before and it's really soft, so check them out. I'm gonna leave hair details below. Stay tuned for the next video.